William, can you put the red one on? Can you put it on the tree? Can you put the star on the tree? Where's this star go? Where's it go?
No, tita.
Here you go.
No, tita.
You do it.
No, 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 no.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
My little girl
Wanna put it up here?
Popcorn on the street. She wants to be string popcorn, so.
Can you put it up there?
This is really sharp.
There you go. Yay, William! Decorating your first Christmas tree. And playing a little bit of billiards at the same time.
You can't eat the decorations.